Okay, there's something that's unsettling me. I mean, it's probably just one of the people in this neighborhood here, but hearing some weird sounding music. Is that just the radio? Whatever was playing a second ago was creeping me out, though. Okay, now I just hear a guy talking. The frick? I'm gonna get closer. Now I'm just talking about some $1 million thing. Is that a plane? No, it's a helicopter. Wait, what the heck? Okay, that better just be a normal plane. Is it gonna bomb us? What is that yellow or red? How did I get me? Man, that's low to the ground. That is really low to the ground. Oh my god. Where are they going? Probably some secret military project like usual. Well, I don't know. I was wanting to record that unsettling music I heard when suddenly it stopped, and then I see this. I think it's playing again. I think it's just someone's radio. Anyway, I'm gonna go check out inside the shed, because I was trying to record me playing the piano right there, but I just didn't do too well. That decoration right there, the little fake skull, and there's another fake skull over there. And I was hearing some strange noises up here. And I'm really I'm really scared because I heard some noise over here not too long ago. And then it was from up there. I'm scared to look up there. Whoa, what was that? What is that? Okay. Sorry, the camera's kind of... I don't want to look up there. Oh crap. I almost just fell over because I'm trying to look up. It is not windy at all. See, look, that thing's not swaying. I mean, it is ever so slightly, but not that much to make noises like that. I do not have a friend up there, if that's what you're wondering. I wouldn't even have a friend over here in the first place. I'm not even at my house right now. Why would I invite friends over to a house that's not mine? It's the most look I've ever gotten up there. Somebody up there? Those noises. This is me creaking the floor because I'm standing on it. Oh my god. What is that? This is so unsettling. What is that? I can't tell from like... Ow! God. From where I was like looking, I couldn't tell what it was. No, I can't see up from there. Okay, well, it was just a random video I was making anyway. Hope you enjoyed this very strange. This is one of those very strange ones that is actually very strange because it really doesn't have any like. What the hell? Sorry. What the heck is that? Do you hear those noises? Like, whoa! But it's like ear rape. What the hell is going on over there? Crap, I'm sorry I keep saying that. God, it sounded like dogs were being... Oh my god. Sounds like dogs are being abused over there. What was that? Or is that them just barking? And it's just that radio playing. What time is it? Oh man, that sucks. Okay. Frick. I think it's just them barking, but there was some weird noise I heard over there that was freaking me out. It sounded like demonic. There it was again. And then the dogs go. Oh, never mind. Dude, what is that? What is that demonic noise? It's nothing I've ever heard before. Is that an animal? What kind of animal is that then? This dog sound hurt. Probably by that demon. Whatever that thing is. Whatever that's making that noise. And there's just like this old cheerful music. I don't think these dogs are okay. What is happening? There they go again. I'm contemplating just yelling like, yo, and seeing if that demon does something again. I heard it again, but it was like really faint. I should just shout like, yo, demon. Yo, demon! Is that a pig? While all this happening, I keep hearing banging noises on the shed. Right there. I'm coming over here because it's like weird, like the snow and like slide. Okay, I don't know what's going on over there right now, but... Yo, demon! I have a bad feeling about this. I'm gonna go away now. Before something too bad happens. Okay, anyway. Hope you enjoyed. I don't know what is going on over there and what's going on in here. Is that a rabbit? Yeah, it was. I can't even remember what I was recording in the first place. Oh, right, it was the music. Which really just turned out to be someone's radio, I presume. It might be like an old record player or something. Probably a haunted one. Hearing some weird noises, but anyway. It's the end of this one. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Bye. Or no, I have to say my actual outro. See you later.